What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the new Double Eagle DMP-9, which has last round cutoff. It's a 9mm model and has a wonderful upgraded gearbox, already wired Deans, the whole nine. So let's get into it. This is a full polymer, lightweight, intuitive design from Double Eagle to answer the needs of SMG users. This is a wonderful compact weapon. Features very similar controls as the M4. We'll start with the exterior and then we'll get to the internals. It is using 9mm, it's a 9mm caliber, so it is a pistol caliber SMG, full-blown true SMG here. Just like the other UTR series of rifles, it does have ambidextrous controls. From the magazine release, which can be done on either side, to the bolt catch, which is just like the M4 charging handle. It can be done on either side as well. This guy is fully ambidextrous. It comes with iron sights, which are flip up. They're a very nice design. I actually like these quite a bit. They remind me of G&Gs. They had those kind of thinner posts for a while there. And then of course we have the folding stock in the back, which actually uses an M4. I just noticed this, it uses an M4 rail there. So if you wanted to use any stock in the world that uses a wrist system, you just put it on there. But it happens to come with this one. You could also take this off completely if you wanted to. And it does fold nicely. So you're still able to hold it and everything with the folded stock. The battery is kept in the compartment up here, and I've actually got a 1200 mAh 11 1-volt battery in here right now. No problems whatsoever. And so let's give that gearbox a listen. Nothing's happening. That's because it's got last round cutoff. Pretty cool. So what that means is that you will never dry fire. Once all the BBs are out, it tells the gearbox do not shoot anymore until you have a loaded magazine in there. So what you can do if you want to dry fire it, put that in and hold the bolt catch. That's going to be on this side, this little lever, and on this side, it's going to be this guy right here. So if you hold that down, you'll be able to dry fire the weapon with no BBs in it. So again, this is their new Falcon gearbox, totally upgraded, MOSFET, that's programmable actually. Upgraded spring, this guy's shooting at 365 on the dot. Quick spring change guide, full steel tooth piston, upgraded gears. It's just solid. Upgraded compression components, rotary hop up, you name it. The UTR series of rifles has it all. That's both the 9mm and the 5.56 M4s, which are available at our website. So let's go ahead and give this guy a listen. First, you're going to know safe. It's going to be that full trigger pull because it is a programmable MOSFET, not a physical safety. Semi. And again, it's bone stock. Pretty damn snappy. And full auto. And that's bone stock, rate of fire, everything. There we go, it's a little better. On this DMP-9. And again, that's going to be everything in one compact package. It's a very nice polymer. It's not cheap. It feels really nice in the hands. Honestly, it feels like an aluminum alloy, but it is indeed a polymer. This thing is light. Most of the weight comes from the gearbox. So, and again, this thing is super sturdy. We've had some testing with our demo model. It's very sturdy, I'll say that. It could definitely take some abuse. It was an accident, but still took it just fine. And again, yeah, everything is upgraded out of the box. I mean, this is honestly an excellent answer to the how compact can I get a rifle and still having excellent ergonomics and just a beautiful rifle overall. I really do like the 9mm port, and you can just see how nice that gearbox is. That it's just pristine. Very nice metals were used. It's a high precision. There's a lot of accuracy that goes into their machines and tooling. And it shows. So if you're interested in the DMP-9, check out StrykerAirsoft.com, where we have this rifle for sale. And if you have one, tell us how you like it. So that's going to be it for this beautiful DMP-9, and I'll see you guys on the field.